we are going to learn something about Edmodo. Edmodo is a free website and we also call it the free educational social networking. Its functions are very limited and it's really enjoyable to work on the Edmodo. If you open your Edmodo account, then you will be taken to this window. This is my window. I'm the instructor of this group, so my window is slightly different from yours. Your window would uh, see something like this. All the notifications sent by me would be available here, and this is the group which you have joined, and you can see all the members of this course who have joined. See here, 50 members, 54 members have joined, and if you click the members, then you would be able to see every one of them. Yeah, Dr. Umesh Arya, I'm the teacher, and these are our respected students. So there are total 54 of them, and the course material would be available under this folder. If you click this, then right now it doesn't have any folder. From tomorrow, Sunday onwards, it will be having the folders like week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So the material would be available under these folders in the form of video, text files, and the PowerPoint presentations. If you click this posts, then all the posts by me or the other group members would be available here, like the Facebook. If you want to reply to this post, then click the reply and it will be instantly sent. If you want to type a new post, then write here, hello all, how are you? Then it will be sent to all the group members. It is not possible for you to send the individual posts using Edmodo because it's a group learning, not the individual learning. So whatever you share in the form of post, it should be sent to the all the group members. You want to share a link, then yeah, sorry, it is for the file. So if you want to upload some file, then you can select a file from any one of these, and it's a usual process, and the file would be attached here. If you want to share a link, then just share the link with, like, this is the link, and attach, so it will come into that. Edmodo gives you one more very good facility, that is backpack. Now backpack can be accessed from here also. If you click this link, then you are given 100 MB of the space to put your files, folders, etc., whatever you want inside your account, and it is accessible from everywhere. So if you want to make your own folders, so you can click this, you can create a new folder here like sample, and whatever you add to this folder will be instantly shared with the group. If you click this one, if you don't want to share, then you can unselect this, so it will be created. This is the one sample, and you can see the backpack items here. You can add links and files so that you can access them from anywhere, and clicking this would be getting your files upload. You can synchronize this with the Google Drive also. If you have an account with the Google Drive, then all the files would be transferred immediately to the Google Drive, and the same can be shared with the Edmodo group members. This is your home page. As far as the students are concerned, you are given this much facility only, but If I talk about the instructors window, so I have some more facilities like this is my page, so I can type my message to the individual Edmodo member also, like hi, how are you. So if I want to send it to, for example, Gagan, then I can send it to Gagan individually. If I want to send it to all the members, then I just need to type the group name. This is IT skills and it will appear here, and it will be sent to all the members. I can create my alert, I can give you assignments and quiz along with the poll. So I have some more facilities as far as this group is concerned, but I'm sure that facilities given by Edmodo to the students are not less, and now it's the time to use this facility, because the more facility we are given, the less use we make of it. So let's make use of this and focus on the learning part of this. Go to this group, IT skills for researchers. You will have folders, and inside this you can see your folders with the material. Have a nice time, friends. Happy learning.